Alrighty, so I wanted to do this recording to talk about this problem. So let's go and look at this. So let's see, when we go into this problem here, is what happens when this happens and you have problems with your objects in your game kind of hovering up into space here. So this happens a lot for new beginners and working in with objects and not quite sure like when you how that actually happens. And so let's talk about that a little bit. So sometimes people will do things and they don't really know what they did to make their objects in their games start flying or hovering off of the ground. How does that happen? So let's start looking at this player here. When I click on the player, it might seem kind of obvious to some of you as to what happens. So if you look at this, you will see that there is a box collider on this player here, and you'll see that the box collider is like 10 times as tall as the player is, and it's below the player. So what happens with this box collider when you have a box collider that is lower, makes it lower than the person, then it makes him rise up in the air. So that might be nice if for some reason you want to get something to be off of the ground. You can always mix a box collider and put the box collider lower, and then it'll raise the person off the ground. But if that's not the case, then you kind of need to make sure that you don't do this. So the ideal with this would be to go into this and change the size of this and the Y, just make this smaller, and oops, not too small, and then actually change, kind of grab this and bring this up. So I like to work in this area here. So change the center of this to be up a little bit higher, and then you can even again make it smaller in this area here. So some people like to work with the handles. I like to work in this area here. You can go ahead and turn the guy around, turn this around, rotating. See, this is why I don't like doing this. So working in this area, I think is probably what I want to do. So I think now if I did this, if I hit play, he would be fine. He's on the ground. You'll see that I need to do the same thing for this obstacle as well. So let's go ahead and hit stop, find the obstacle. Where's the obstacle? Where's that obstacle? It is, whoa. Well, I think it's already been taken into another place. So I think it's probably down here in the prefabs. Let's go find this obstacle and look at the box collider in the obstacle. So I need to be able to open the prefab and edit the prefab. Yeah, so same thing here. So the same thing needs to be happen here is to be able to change the size of that to be smaller, and then move the center of that up. And you could again grab it by these things, but it's kind of hard to do when you're looking at it. I always mess it up. So again, I just use these boxes over here and use my slider, my mouse to be able to move things up and down, move things on the X, Y, and Z. You can kind of use this right here to be able to turn things around. If you notice, I already messed that up. So I use this area here, and I probably should have did that with my man as well. So let's go out of this and go back to my player one more time, and hit F to focus. And then in the box collider, click on him here, and then start to turn it around and see if his box collider is good. So one thing about having the player, making sure that you're not going too low on him, also make sure that it is on the ground, because we don't want him to sink in the ground. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put it up to his knees, and I'm gonna show you what happened if you don't go low enough. So if I don't go low enough, when I do this, he's actually gonna sink as he's under the ground right here. So here he's actually under the ground in his he's under the ground here. So I look kind of weird there. So he actually sunk in the ground in the game. So make sure that your box collider is not too low. I've played a couple games recently where you could tell that the box collider for the player isn't right, or else the box collider for the ground is not right. And so I played a game. I'm not sure. It might be No Man's Sky or something, where they get to an area and the person's like they're halfway through the ground. So something is kind of going weird on their box colliders for the grounds of the areas that they're playing in. So yeah. All right. Well, I don't want to mess with this too much because this is not my game here. This is somebody else's. But then I wanted to give an example of why is my man flying in the sky? All right, hopefully that is a big help. And yeah, there we go. That's how you do that.